Remember how I collected some data on favorite toys with my first grade writing groups? Well, today I'm going to take this chart with tallies and warm up for math with you by changing it from the chart to the bar graph. So I already have the titles on there, kept the same. It's favorite toys. And I took and put the choices at the bottom from the choices of what I asked as the options or their ways of answering as Nerf is my favorite, Legos, or Stuffies out of those three. And today, I wanted to see if you could warm up for math by helping me decide how to make the bar graph. So, I'm going to make the Nerf part green. How many should I make? How far up the bar should I go? 1, 2, 3, 4. Should I keep going? One more, right? 5. Take this, and this will be my first bar. I kind of traced it on the outside. That's one of my strategies for doing my bar graphs carefully and precise, exact on 5. I'm going to come back and color that in a minute. Next, I'm going to look at the Legos. How many Legos were the favorite toys of the people I asked? 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me when to stop, okay? 5, 6, 7. Did you say stop? You're right. I'm going to color those in because that'll be my next bar, won't it? Oh, you can already see that there were more kids that chose Legos as their favorite than Nerf because it went taller, right? I see that too. Color that in a minute. Okay, now one more to try. Stuffies. 3, you're right. Let's go over here. Here's 1, 2. I have to look way over here when I'm working on my last bar. And 3. Did you say stop? Yes, mathematicians. I had to stop only on 3 because only 3 kids of the ones I asked said Stuffies were their favorite. But boy, did they really like them when they answered. And now I'm going to color in my bars, and I'll be able to compare my data in 2 ways. I can compare it by looking at the tallies, or I can look at the bar graphs. So right away, we might think about what's more, what's the least, and what's in between. And when we do that, mathematicians, we can also find ways to think about the stories of this data, like how many more students liked Legos than Nerf. Is that addition or subtraction? You're right, subtraction, because we're comparing them and we're going to see the difference. I'm going to keep coloring my last bar. Maybe you'll collect some data and think about the math. We're warmed up, ready to go.